As we dive into the world of algorithmic trading, one crucial aspect that can make or break your strategy is technical analysis. With the rapid evolution of trading technology, 2026 has brought us an array of indicators that can help you gain a competitive edge in the market. Today, we'll be dissecting the top technical analysis indicators for algorithmic trading that you need to know. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, indicator is a classic in the trading world, but its simplicity and effectiveness make it a staple in algorithmic trading. By combining two moving averages, the MACD indicator helps identify potential buy and sell signals. Let's take a look at a real-life example. Suppose we're trading on a 5-minute chart of the S&P 500 index. Our algorithm detects a MACD signal when the 12-period EMA crosses above the 26-period EMA, indicating a potential long position. The stochastic oscillator is another popular indicator that's gaining traction